Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Coupon with Niche. Today's video is a little different because I typically don't do long form videos at CVS, but CVS has their epic beauty event that is happening, and they also have their back to school routine that is still going on. So we have like a lot of different scenarios we can cover. We have a lot of good deals that are coming out for this new week, and I'm super excited. So y'all, let's go ahead. Y'all know the routine. Let's go inside, see what CVS has for us, because this week is fire. These dates are from 8/16 until 8/22. So this upcoming week, we will have our Neutrogena acne patches. They are going to be priced at $10.49. But you guys, we have a $3.50 coupon that's coming to us. And we also are going to be getting $10 when we spend $5. So we are going to pick up one of them for $10.49. We have a $3.50 coupon. It will make it $6.99, and then we're getting $5 back in ExtraCare bucks, making our final cost just $1.99. That's a fabulous deal, y'all, and I definitely am going to stock up. A few body wash options that you could do this upcoming week will be on our Olay. It is going to be on the 22-ounce bottle. They're originally $9.29. They are actually going to be on sale this week for just $7.99. Another option you could do is going to be on our Dove. Now, I'm going to be honest, this one just seems a little too high for me. So we have our Dove, you guys, that is going to be $4 coupon when you purchase 2, and when we spend $15, we're going to get $3 in ExtraCare bucks. They are priced at $10.79 though, which is high. So we're going to times this, right? We're looking at $21.58. We have that $4 coupon bringing us to $17.58. And then we're getting $3 back, making our final cost for 2 $14.58. Or about $7.29. I just think that's a little too high for Dove. I've seen cheaper elsewhere. So I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments. Do you think that's worth it? I personally do not. Another deal that we will have is going to be on our Aveeno. Now, they are going to be... the deal actually is a lot better this week, but it's okay. We can make do. They are going to be buy one, get one 40% off. And when we pick up 2 of them, we are going to get $5 in ExtraCare bucks. But we do have a $5 off coupon on 2. So let's do our math for that. So let's see. One of them will be $6.90. $18.39 is what we're looking at. We'll have that $5 coupon, so we'll pay $13.39 at the register, and then we're going to get $5 back in ExtraCare bucks. It will make our final cost just $8.39 for 2 of them, or about $4.19. So not bad on your Aveeno. If you use the Aveeno, this probably would be a really good option for you. We have our Neutrogena sunscreen that is going to be on a promotion of buy one, get one 50% off. And when we pick up 2 of them, we're going to get $5 in ExtraCare bucks. And we have a $3 digital manufacturer coupon coming our way. So you guys, for 2 of them, we're at like $21.73. We have that $3 off coupon, so we're paying $18.73 at the register. And then we're going to get $5 back in ExtraCare bucks. So our final cost will be $13.73. I don't think that's a bad deal because they're originally $14.49 for just one of them. So let me know your thoughts, but that's not bad at all. Also, make sure you guys are checking out some of the clearance tags. We have some of our native body wash. They are going to be 30% off. We also have some of our Vaseline products. And speaking of Vaseline, you guys, we actually have a really good deal on our Vaseline this week on the larger ones. Now, it does show that if you spend $15, you're going to get $4 in ExtraCare bucks, and we have a $2 digital coupon. Now let's read this closely, you guys. So it is valid on any Vaseline. So 10 ounce, it's good on the body balm as well as the body butter, gel, jelly, all of that. Okay, so let's do a little scenario real quick. So if we pick up the bigger one, it's going to be $9.89. And then let's say we pick up a smaller one, which is going to be $5.89. That already brings you to your $15.78. And then we have a $2 coupon. So we'll pay $13.78 at the register, and then we're going to get $4 back. So for 2 of them, you're looking at $9.78, which is the price of one of them. So you're not doing bad if you pick up both of those. So let's go ahead and continue on and see what other deals we have for this week. But they are looking really good. Like I said, so many lotions. Like this Vaseline is $2.94. insane, you guys. We have so many like clearance items at my CVS. So check yours because they probably have some as well, but they got used on these big, y'all, this is originally $17.79. They have it for 50% off. That is crazy. 30% off on some of the Aquaphor. So check your see what y'all got. Okay, even these Olay things are $9.99. They're 75% off on the Olay eyes. We also have the Olay gel. So y'all check. Just check, scan your app, see if you got some coupons. We got some L'Oreal that's 50% off. So really good deals. But let's go ahead and get back into the deals that they have for this upcoming week. This week, Neutrogena and Aveeno products are going to be on this promotion that when you spend $25, you're going to get $10 in extra care bucks. So I'm going to show you guys a little scenario that you could do. We are going to start off with the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Wipes. When you pick up 2 of them, you guys, we are going to get a $4 coupon on 2. So hopefully y'all can see my screen, you guys, but we have a $4 coupon on 2 coming our way. So we're going to pick up 2 of those. And then we are also going to grab one of these for $12.99. It's on any Aveeno facial care items. And for the Aveeno, you guys, they are giving us a $5 coupon. So pick up one of those and 2 of the makeup remover wipes. Let's go ahead and calculate. So those makeup remover wipes are priced at $6.99 each. And then we have that Aveeno for $12.99. We need to get to $25. So right now we're at $26.97. We have a $5 coupon and a $4 coupon. It will leave us to pay $17.97 out of pocket. But we're going to get that $10 back in extra care bucks, making our final cost just $7.97. Another great deal we'll have will be on our Palmers. Now on here, you guys, it says that they are buy one, get one 50% off, and it shows on any Palmer's skincare items. We do have a $1.50 coupon that's coming our way, and when we pick up 2, we are going to get $6 in extra care bucks. So we are going to look at the lotion that's priced at $6.49. So one of them will be 50% off. So we're looking at $9.73 for both. And then we have that $1.50 coupon. So we're looking at $8.23 out of pocket, but we're getting $6 back in extra care bucks, making our final cost $2.23. This week, we will have our Maybelline Baby Lips. They are going to be on sale for just $4.99. And when you pick up 2, you will get $5 in extra care bucks. 2 of them will cost me $9.98 out of pocket. I'm not seeing any digital coupons right now. It looks like the one that we do have is actually expiring soon. But we are going to pick up 2 for just $9.98, get that $5 back, making our final cost just $4.98. So not a bad deal, y'all. But let's move on to our next area. That way we can go ahead and get these deals rolling. This week we have a really good deal on our Crest and our Colgate toothpaste. I honestly think the Crest one is better, you guys. They will be on sale for just $3.99. And when you pick up a total of 3, you have a $5 coupon. And we also are going to get $5 in extra care bucks. Hopefully you guys can see that at the top. But you guys, let's go ahead and do our calculations. So $3.99 times 3 will bring me to $11.97. I have a $5 coupon, so I'm paying $6.97 at the register. And then I'm also going to get that $5 in extra care bucks. It will make my final cost just $1.97 for all 3, or you guys, about 65 cents each. So a really good deal on that. Another good deal that I think, especially if you like Colgate items, or you use Colgate toothpaste, they are going to be 2 for $12. It will be on these right here that you see. And we have a $8 off of 2 coupons. So I love when we have like high value coupons because we're not going to pay that much out of pocket. So $12, and then that 8, you're only paying $4 out of pocket for 2 of them. Like I said, the Crest is a better deal, but if you use Colgate, I would go with that option. Another good deal that we have, you guys, is going to be right here. You guys, they say buy one and you're going to get a $4 in extra care bucks. But right here, you guys, it says with any Oral-B toothbrush, a 2-pack, or with the Glide Pro Health Floss 3-pack. So I'm curious to know which toothbrushes. Are they talking about these? If so, you guys, that's going to be a really good deal. We'll have to see when the deals go live, what they're talking about, and when like the stores have their signs up. But if that's the case, that would be a really good deal on our toothbrushes or on our Oral-B Glide floss. Some other deals that we can do, you guys, let's go ahead and go down here. We have our Act mouthwash, you guys. It is going to be buy two and you're going to get a dollar coupon with that, but you're going to purchase two and get $7 in extra care bucks. So if you look at the ones for the kids, they are $5.99. $5.99 plus $5.99, so we're paying $11.98. We have that dollar coupon, so you're really paying $10.98, and then you're gonna get $7 back, so your final cost will be $3.98. So not a bad deal on the Act mouthwash. Also, you guys, let me show you this really good deodorant deal that we have. If you use Dove products, this may be for you. So it will be on our Dove spray as well as our regular Dove deodorant. So you could do either one. I typically just go with the regular Dove. I try to do aluminum free just because it works best for me. So let's see. The Dove, you guys, is going to be regular price. They're going to be $9.99. And when you pick up two of them, we are going to get $4 in extra care bucks. And we also have a $4 off of two coupon. So $9.99. We're paying $19.98 before that coupon applies. With that coupon, we're paying $15.98. And then we're going to get $4 in extra care bucks. So we're paying $11.98 for two of the deodorants, which is not bad, y'all, because look, this is $18.19 for a 2-pack. That is insane. Like, when did deodorant get this expensive? That is crazy. Oh my God, let's move to the next aisle. I'm actually shocked. Another item you want to keep your eye out for is going to be on our Icy Hot patches and on the roll-ons, you guys. They are going to be on sale for $7.99. And when you pick up one, we have a $3 off coupon. So for one of them, we're only looking at $4.99. Another great lotion option that you could do for super cheap will be on our Nivea, our Eucerin, and our Aquaphor, you guys. They are going to just be $4.99. And when we pick up two, we are going to get $3 in extra care bucks. So pick up two of them for $4.99 each. That brings you to $9.98. We'll get that $3 back in extra care bucks. It will make your final cost just $6.98. Next, you guys, we are going to move into some of our baby items. Y'all know I love a good baby deal. If you all did the Pamper wipe deal that Publix had this past week, let me know in the comments, because we have more Pamper deals that you could do at CVS this week. We're going to start off with our diapers. They are going to be buy one, get one 40% off. Now, y'all, diapers are high. Like $15.29 is the original price for this. Okay, this is a sale price, so they will be back to $15.29, but they are going to be buy one, get one 40% off, and we do have a $3 off coupon when you pick up two. So we have that $3 off coupon, and when we pick up two, we're also getting $10 in extra care bucks. So for two of them, we're looking at $24.47. We're going to clip that $3 coupon, so we're going to pay $21.47 at the register. We're going to get $10 back in extra care bucks, making our final cost for both just $11.47. So not a bad deal. It kind of comes out a little cheaper than the $11.99. Another deal that you can do will be on our Pamper wipes. If you did not get to do the deal at Publix, you could definitely do it at CVS. Now, they are already 25% off. They're actually on clearance. They're $7.49. But if they just go by the regular price that they're going to do, it will be $7.99. That's what they'll be on sale for. And when you pick up two, you're going to get $5 in extra care bucks. So $7.99, you guys. Times that by two, you're looking at $15.98. You're going to get $5 back in extra care bucks. It will make your final cost just $10.98. On top of our Epic Beauty sale, you guys, we also have our back to routine that is still going on. This is where you're going to see red tags like this, that when you spend $30, you're going to get $10 in extra care bucks. So I'm going to put a little scenario together. That way you know how to save money on your household and laundry care products. We are going to start off with the Dawn Platinum Plus Power Wash. It is priced at $5.99, and we will have a $2 coupon. We are also going to pick up one of the Febreze car smells, the double pack. They are going to be priced at $6.49, and we have a $3 off coupon. It is part of the same promotion, so just pick up one. Also going to pick up one of the Gain Liquid Laundry Detergents. They are going to be priced at $12.99, but we do have a $4 off coupon. And for our last item, we are going to get the Tide Pods. They will be priced at $5.49, and we have a $1 coupon. Here are the four products that we are going to pick up, you guys. Our total comes to $30.96. We have $2 coupon on our Dawn, a $1 coupon on the Tide, $4 on the Gain, and then we have $3 on the Febreze. So that total comes to $20.96 out of pocket. You'll get that $10 back in extra care bucks, making your final cost just $10.96. This completes the CVS preview video, you guys. The deals start on 8/16 to 8/22, so go ahead and make your list. That way you know exactly what you're getting. But y'all, we have some fire deals this week. We have so many good store promotions, so many extra care bucks. So y'all, I'm loving it. But let me know in the comments if you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. That way you never miss a deal.